Hi, my name is Annie Fitzgerald, and I'd like to take a moment to share why universal healthcare would be life-changing for those of us in the disabled and chronically ill community, and why it's so important to support this bill and keep moving this process forward on pursuing universal healthcare for every Washingtonian. Uh, the young Republicans are wrong. We have these issues with wait times and denial of care right now. People with disabilities, especially those with multiple conditions, have to put a lot of extra time, effort, and too often money into maintaining our healthcare to the highest level possible. We often see multiple doctors take multiple medications and require expensive medical equipment that isn't fully covered through employer based healthcare or social safety net programs like Medicaid or Medicare. It's not uncommon for us to spend hours on the phone begging health insurance companies to cover care needed for our survival, and we have to advocate for ourselves on a regular basis. Between arguing with the insurance company, going to constant medical appointments, and dealing with the pharmacy on medications or medical equipment, it can be absolutely exhausting physically and mentally. It's like a part-time job that we didn't sign up for, but have no choice but to do. And now with programs like Medicaid and Medicare under threat at the federal level, many of us are living in complete fear of losing what little coverage we do have and local hospitals and healthcare systems collapsing since about 60% of hospital funding comes from Medicaid and Medicare. For many of us, including myself, total collapse and loss of coverage would be an absolute death sentence. Millions of Washingtonians' lives would be on the line. It is time for this committee and the Washington State Legislature to act right now before it's too late. Please support 8004 and vote yes. Thank you very much for your time.